Greetings to my 2018 Built to Last Amazing Beautiful V family all over the planet. This is your chief on week number 2 as the most gorgeous upline you will ever have in the history of the V. Alright, with the exception of Dato Sri Vijay and Japa. Okay, and I'm very excited. I just came back a few hours ago on a short flight from Bangkok. I attended an event of AVP Kavita called Date with Destiny. 10,000 people. I spoke, I met the leaders, and I realized it's week 2 of 2018. I'm saying this sarcastically because many of you beautiful morons are still living in 2017. Guys, wake up! 2018 has started, and you know from these eyes that I'm not happy with week 1. Alright, and I'm very sure that all of you are not happy with week one, because after hundreds of videos where I told you maintain momentum to make sure you cross over into 2018 high, you did not. Alright, because everyone was in the New Year, Happy New Year celebration kind of thing. Alright, and you are recovering from whatever parties you have. Well, it's over, guys. Alright, congratulations. Happy New Year. Finish. Kaput. We have started again. It's a brand new year. We got lots to achieve. Alright, I've got goals which I'm setting for every market, every group, which will ultimately come back to you. Now think about this. Every beginning of the year, I tell all the networkers around the world, alright, and all of you watching this video, including the uplines, the AVPs, the VPs, everyone, you need to know what 2018 is going to be about. For you, your organization, your downlines, your leaders. And it comes back to your 53 weeks of goals, alright, which totals to the total amount of money that you are going to earn from QNet in 2018. From the main plan, from RSP, from everything. Alright, you need to know the total number. And that total number needs to be divided strategically for 53 weeks, not on an equal basis. That it will change according to the season, Ramadan, Chinese New Year, Christmas, alright, Diwali, whatever. You got to plan your year. That you cannot start your year without clarity of what you want to achieve, how much you want to achieve, which market you're going to build, what is your expectation from all your leaders with regards to their performance. Now, if you lack clarity on week 2 of 2018, right, that means your leaders lack clarity. Your downlines are all just lingering around and floating, waiting for you to give them clear, concise direction and goals to achieve. This is the role of an upline. Alright, in a few days, all your leaders are coming to me, alright, to spend 3 days with Dato Sri Vijay and Japa, the great ones, the unbelievable uplines of our V family. Alright, I'm so excited to meet them again after New Zealand last month. And they're gonna run an event called ICE, Inner Circle Elite, where 100, 150 of the top leaders, all your uplines, are coming to see us. And I'm gonna sit with each of them, and they're gonna tell me what they're gonna deliver this year. How many max out kings? How many max out queens? How many new markets? How many people going to earn 1,000 US, 2,000 US, 500, 750, 250? Alright? How consistent is the organization going to be growing in 2018? How are they going to manage, handle existing challenges and potentially new challenges? Because guaranteed 2018 built to last, but we will face challenges. Alright, now all of this, you cannot wait. You got to do it now before you come and see me in ICE uplines. And all of you watching the Wednesday message need clarity of what you're going to deliver in 2018. What you're supposed to do every week. How you're supposed to perform every week. Are you staying in your city? Are you opening up a new city, a new town? Right? Are you flying across the border to a different country after consulting your upline? I've always told you this. My fascination, right, with the human being is this. that it's complicated yet simple. Now, no person can exist without a clear goal. Even the morons who go to work, come back home, go to work, come back home, go to work, come back home, they have a goal. End of the month, they want their salary to pay their bills. Now, you are today an entrepreneur in a company which is celebrating 20 years of empowering entrepreneurs. Now, as an entrepreneur, you don't have a monthly salary as your goal. You don't have the go to work, come back home, go to work, come back home mindset. You have had a paradigm shift. Alright? And I hope your paradigm shift has not reversed. That you have crossed from employee mentality to entrepreneurship mentality. And every entrepreneur needs clear, concise goals. Now, your big goal for the year is that total sum. Your dreams are even bigger. And your dreams will not be achieved just in 1 month or 2 months. It takes time to build up momentum, to build up an income, to build up wealth for you to buy your dream house, your island, your private jet, your car, alright? But you need weekly goals. Now, I created a format, alright, called TAT. Now, I'm going to share with you how important this format is. That from 2012, 2013, when I started introducing my mantra of weekly targets to the leadership around the world, right? BVs went up, commission checks went up, leaders were held accountable. There is something to talk about on Friday midnight with your downline. If you did not agree on a target and a goal of your downline, then what are you going to talk to him or her about on Friday? What is the measuring tape? Alright? That without a goal, network marketing is just like another job. Go presentation, come back, presentation, come back. Alright? Now, each one of you, whether you are brand new watching this video or you are 10 years in the business, you crossed from employee mentality, you crossed over to entrepreneur mentality. It's called a paradigm shift. Now, paradigm shifts are not permanent. What people fail to understand, that if you don't have goals that are crystal clear in 2018, you will actually slowly cross back to employee mentality in QNet. And if you have employee mentality in QNet, you can never max out. You can never succeed. That the only people who max out are people who have entrepreneur mentality, millionaire mentality. Alright, they can succeed. But the only way you are convinced to remain an entrepreneur, that if you see results, and results are from goals, and goals are weekly, alright, not monthly, not annually. Goals are weekly, small, relevant, significant targets that decide your momentum, decide your energy, decide your activity level, decide your focus, decide your intensity, decide your passion every week. So if I'm going to earn 20,000 US this week, and that is my goal, I've agreed with my upline, then I know how to behave. I know what to do this week. Or not, I'll just chill out. Okay, do a presentation, let's try. You do. Wake up and smell the coffee, guys. This is week 2. If you don't have clarity of the next 51 weeks, plus week 2, 52 weeks, you're never going to max out this year. You're not going to be financially free. And I'm telling you this with love as your upline. Alright, shut up and listen to me. Alright, if your upline hasn't sat down and give you clarity of his expectation or her expectation of your goals for 2018, you won't max out. Go and join somebody else. Go back to work 9 to 5. Go do something else. Because you cannot succeed in network marketing without weekly, non-negotiable, do or die goals. Now, 2018, alright, I have observed all the groups growing around the world. And you guys are experts. You guys have become gurujis of network marketing. You got systems. You have duplicated our events, our trainings. And I'm very proud of it. Don't get me wrong. Network marketing is about duplication. Our VCons are now starting to be duplicated. All this is great. You have learned most of your networking systems and skills from me over 19 years of my videos, listening to Dato Sri Vijay, listening to Japa, the V partners, the great ones, and you have jumbled everything together and created some mega PhD, voodoo, magic, unbelievable system, which sometimes I see, I'm surprised. Guys, don't complicate this. This is simple. The more you are under pressure to raise the bar higher in your systems and complicate it, right? The more people get confused and they think network marketing requires a PhD and they quit, right? And you guys today have also created system that is full of happiness, right? Every part of your system is all holding hands and singing Kumbaya. You understand? And that's what your system is about. There is no pain. There is no accountability. There is no deliverable. There is no targets. There is no non-negotiable goals. Must have. Alright? So this year, let me simplify my mantra to the world. First is build to last. Alright? Whatever we do this year is about the foundation. The stronger the foundation, I said last week, the taller the building, the more max out kings and max out queens. And then first, power of association. Power of association. The key. Alright? Keep your people in a positive environment. Crisis, arrest, Google, negative media, screw all that shit. Alright? Keep them in a positive zone. Power of association. Number two, TAT. Target, achieve, target. If you are not sending out a TAT every Friday midnight to somebody, upline, me, alright, somebody, mother-in-law, you are failing. You cannot succeed. I'll tell you right now, point blank. Don't waste your time. Give your tracking center to somebody else and go back to work. TAT, mandatory. And the third one is presentation, presentation, presentation. So when I looked at all your systems, you had everything, alright? Events, training, VCon, ISB, power of association, everything in it, but I don't see a non-negotiable presentation factor. Because leaders and uplines reach a point where they feel they don't have to do it. Cannot. First mantra of network marketing, monkey see, monkey do. Do you understand? Monkey see, monkey do, monkey see, monkey do, monkey see, monkey do. So you are V partner, if you are max out king, you're earning 20,000 a week. No choice. You have to do presentation. Alright? Only then will the culture trickle down to your organization. You see, my prospect calling, I got a presentation. Alright? But now, you guys are making it so flexible. You do presentation. You try. No. Have a quantifiable, measurable number of presentations that you expect from your organization, from your downlines, across the whole board. Now, you have to do it. Alright? You have run out of prospects is not an excuse. The world is very big. Alright? Another prospect calling. Okay? The world is huge. The internet gives you prospects like that. You step out of the house today, you meet foreigners. Step out of the house, you meet everyone. So, presentation is the key component of our focus to build to last. That the foundation of the V, the foundation of QNet was not built on strategic ideas, was not built on a complicated PhD system. It was built on me, on Dato Sri, on Japa, on the V partners, of every big leader with one activity, presentation. So this year, go back to the basic foundation of an organization building. Go back to the simplicity of a great business called network marketing. Let's make our 20th year simple. Let's make our 20th year built to last. Power of association, TAT, do or die TAT, and culture of presentation from the top all the way to the bottom. Leadership by example. Monkey see, monkey do. So today is Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, in between all your kumbaya, PhD training, this one, that one, kung fu, get off your ass. Go out there and be a networker and do presentations again. Start week 2 with new blood from the top. Start week 2 with new momentum, right? Bring in, because everyone you sign up can be the next max out king and max out queen. So if you're watching this Wednesday message, this is your freaking chief telling you, keep it simple, build to last, power of association, TAT, and presentación, presentación, presentación for everyone. Monkey see, monkey do. Love you guys.